Hello my dear friends, today I want to show you how work a real working hack for XBet for Aviator Crash game. Look at this my friends, this is me, Shark1x Games, my official Telegram channel, and me, Shark1xBet, if you want this a real working hack for XBet for Aviator Crash game. Look at this my friends, this is actual fresh date and fresh time today, 14 June 23 year, and let's go. I will show you how it's work. Go to the Google Chrome, go to the Shark 1xBet point crash, and look, this is first link, 1xbet.com, this official 1xBet website. Press this. And look at this, my friends. As you see, this is a real official 1xBet website. You see 1xbet.com crash. Look. Fresh, you see my balance right now. Actual fresh date and fresh time, 14 June. Press application, 1xBet, and you see it's real work perfect, it's correct. I'm place a bet and show you how I win money right now. Amazing. It's amazing, it's real work perfect. Okay, I'm placing next bet and show you how I win money again. It's real amazing, my friends. It's real work perfect. Look at this. This is my history from today and yesterday. And I place the next bet and show you how I win money again. Amazing, my friends. It's real work perfect. This is my official Telegram channel, guys, and me if you want this real working hack for XBet. Okay, let's go. I want to show you how I withdraw my money to my Visa card. Go to the personal account, withdraw funds. I withdraw it to my Visa card. Look at this, my friends. Actual fresh date and fresh time. And let's go. I will show you how it's work. Yes. Press confirm. Okay. And now, my friends, we just wait when my money was withdrawn from 1xBet wallet to my Visa card. You see, guys, all this real. Yes, money withdraws, as you see. Just wait when status change to improve. Yes, thank you for view, guys. Bye bye, see you later.